All right, it's Sunday and I'm in the shop here. Showed up here late afternoon, and looks like they've got the whole machine wrapped up now for curing. And I guess the painting and the body puttying is done. And they got the light on it here for extra heat, but it's completely covered and it's being cured right now. And so the other thing is they've got this stripped back quite a bit more, and they everything's opened up in the front here quite a bit. So they're going to start ripping out more of these hoses and wires and crap all over the place here. And they got all kinds of grinders out here, and they've been grinding away at that paint. Still quite a bit more to go here, but in here this has been cleaned out even more, and still going to require quite a bit more work on the inside here, but you can see with that wood paneling out there now, all the holes that came that are showing. And I found in the past, when we started taking these things apart, things became more dried out and they just started flaking and coming apart. So as it gets dried out in the shop here, you're going to see more patches of rust and dust and whatnot that got to be cleaned up. But this is what they're continuing on here. I have not been out here in 2 days, and Dad and Peter are just having coffee right now. But you can see this bit chunk right here was taken out, and that's going to be re-welded back in. A new piece. There's the old piece right there, or pieces plural. And they got more grinding and cutting here to do yet. Little skiff of snow outside today, not much but enough. And yeah, so maybe we'll check in with Dad and Peter and the progress, see what's going on here, and we'll report back in. So what's new besides this cutting outfit here?
This is a solid shaft, eh?
Oh, right, yeah.
So I'm cutting this out. I'm going to put a new floor in.
Okay.
And then I'm going to cut this out about here.
Okay.
Square. And finish that off from here to here.
Okay. How much did it take to get that new shaft put in?
Well, I have to find it first and then cut it. And then
Okay.
I can't plug those holes. And this is, I drilled that for plug welding. Then I'm going to weld around here.
Okay. So, lots of progress. I was working on the computer here earlier today, but I needed a break. My eyeballs were starting to go screwy.
We took the Bombardier out.
Yeah.
Way out in the yard. Blew everything off from the fan that way.
Yeah.
Brought it back in, so wiped down, covered, and he's going to prime tomorrow.
Okay, there you go.
No more grinding here today.
Good.
Just welding.
Okay, so like I said, Dad's got a...
We're going to take all this out now.
Yeah.
And clean it up. Heat this up, straighten it, and put the steering in, and start putting wheels on.
Okay. So week into this job, and Dad's already talking about wheels, which is a good thing. But they're going to have coffee, and kind of think this is the end of the video here, guys. Did you get some calls here today from anybody?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're looking for spots for service and some equipment, so...
Rankin Inlet wants the transmission,
Okay,
and the other guy wants the motor.
okay. Well, hopefully you can help them out.
Yeah. Just too bad that they wait until the end of November
Yeah,
to be ready for the end of December.
yeah.